Hi, my name is Jordan Weller. I'm co-principal of Coral Close Limited. We manufacture marinades and sauces.
Hi, my name is Isaac Mignot, co-principal of Coral Close Limited. So Coral Close was born out of an idea from Jordan, who used to operate a small restaurant and made some fabulous sauces, which all of his clientele had always asked him to bottle. Seeing that, we partnered together to get it out into the public market, hence how we ended up with SRC. It's a lot of hard work. We do a lot of the running up and down ourselves, but we have quite a few contractors who we work with. We're at a scale now that we have a contractor that provides all our fresh produce, and we use mostly fresh produce for all of our ingredients. And we also get persons on a daily basis, etc. when we have production. The good thing about it is SRC does provide a lot of the requirements for us, so it takes off quite a bit of the hassle off our hands.
I'm very passionate about food, always have been. Entered food competition, won a few, lost a few. So was just constantly trying to grow, to create recipes to one day open a restaurant and bar for myself. We did that and realized that there was really a demand and like for persons wanting, especially persons who don't live in Jamaica, wanting to take, the marinades and the sauces abroad so they can do it at home themselves, so they have a feel and a piece of Jamaica with them when they head back to their respective homes abroad. So that's how we ended up here. That's why we're here. We asked around everywhere to find out how we can execute this. We constantly got recommended to the SRC and referred to the SRC.
Jordan had the recipes, and we thought it was just to get that mixed up and put it in a bottle. We realized that was not the case, and there was quite a process to go through in order to ensure that the products were fit for the public market. Especially in light of our greater aspirations of exportation and all of that. So we had initial meetings with the SRC team, who were very knowledgeable and experienced. They assisted us firstly through the formulation process, so that would get our products to a level where they can go into production. And then from that, we tried to seek manufacturing from various places in Jamaica, but given our size at the time, really and truly SRC was one of the only places who really gave us the opportunity. A lot of the other manufacturers really need scale to really look at you, to really move forward. So SRC is one of the only places that really provided us that, and we're really grateful for that, because it has allowed us to start small and really scale organically throughout the process.
Would like to get some market share in Jamaica, obviously. If with the startup people, the people who are just starting restaurants or anything like that, any culinary experience, whether it be at home, work or anything like that, just to make it kind of a nice household name per se. The main goal though is to actually get it overseas. We have been working with the SRC to help us with the FDA approvals. We've been sending samples to possible distributors overseas, getting some positive feedback, and just going through the processes that it takes to get this product to where it should be. When we first approached the SRC, as Isaka said, we were clearly a bit clueless in what it took to get this product out. Fortunately, it was like being back in school. They sat down, they went through each process line by line, every step. They were always there whenever we needed to make a phone call and ask a question about what is this that we're doing. They were readily available and answering. They literally held our hands and walked us through this entire process, which is fantastic to me. And I strongly would recommend anybody who is just even an idea, if you just have an idea and you want to figure out what's the next step for the idea, just call them. The information is readily available, and it's just a wonderful service for anybody.
Presently, we have just two offerings on the market. We're coming with a third very shortly. We started initially with the retail under the Jangas brand. Now we have pivoted a little bit more into a wholesale look as well. We have like 5-gallon pails for restaurants, hotels, etc., etc. One of the reasons that we're afforded to do this as well is just the seamless ability to get everything done in one space. So SRC allowed us the opportunity to do all the testing necessary, microbial testing, and as was mentioned before, seeking FDA approval, whatnot, and just the pivoting with even bottling. We could move very seamlessly from a 10-ounce bottle to a 20 kg or 5-gallon pail. So that this relationship has made this for us very, very seamless and easy.
So we have sauces available at CPJ Market on Lady Musgrave Road. You can also order it for delivery on the Hugo app. You just punch it in, get it, somebody will deliver it to you any time of day. And we're also looking at other online platforms to put the product on so that we can get some more exposure, some more orders overseas. As it is right now, if anybody wants to order from us, you can just email us at coralcloselimited@gmail.com, and we'll happily give you a call back and get you the product as quickly as possible.